Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the boxed block stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For the tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using several different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the boxed block stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 5. For my boxed block stitch swatch, I made a row of all single crochet as a little foundation row down here. Now you don't have to do that. You could make your single crochet chain row into those chains. I will be showing you how to make that single crochet chain row on the row that I'm currently working. So you will start by making 1 chain on your hook over here. Work 1 single crochet into this first stitch attached to where your chain is. Then make 1 single crochet into the second stitch. Make 3 chains and skip 3 stitches. You're then going to work a single crochet into the next stitch, then 1 single crochet into the next one, chain 3, skip 3, 1 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet in the next, chain 3, skip 3, 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, 1 single crochet in the last stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the previous chain 3 of the last row. So you can see that we've done 2 singles and then the chains, 2 singles and the chains for that single crochet chain row. Now, like I was saying, I made a foundation of single crochets for my first one and then did that row. But you could work this one into your chains if you wanted to. It's preference at that point. For your next row, you're going to chain 3 and then turn your work. This is going to be the boxed block row. You will then skip to this open space right here made from the chains, and you're going to work 5 double crochet. You're going to skip over to the next space and you're going to make 5 double crochet again, and you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. Into the last stitch of your row, you're going to make 1 double crochet. That double crochet is going to match the chain 3 made at the beginning of your row. You would repeat these 2 rows for however long you want your project. And that's going to be how to make the boxed block stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.